If you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-washroom condo, make sure you check out this condo. There's 3 reasons why you should buy this condo. For one reason why you should buy this condo, it's an open concept layout with breathtaking views of the CN Tower and Lake Ontario from every room. Number 2 reason why you should buy this condo, it's located right next to Kipling Station and Go Station. Within minutes you'll be downtown, Sherway Gardens, Cloverdale Mall, and much more. Third reason why you should buy this condo, it's a Tridel-built condo with luxurious amenities and quality construction. Don't miss your chance to purchase this condo. Give us a call at the number below to book your private showing.